Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Lucifer Morningstar. We will begin by establishing the fundamental structure of his head. First, draw a simple circle, which will serve as the top part of his skull. Next, add a vertical line down the center and a horizontal line for the eyes. These guidelines are crucial for accurate feature placement. Finally, sketch his distinctively sharp jawline and pointed chin, connecting them to the circle to form the complete head shape. Now let's bring his face to life. Using your guidelines, carefully place his expressive, slightly narrowed eyes and his small, triangular nose. Next, draw his iconic wide smirk, which often conveys his confident and mischievous personality. Finally, outline his distinctive wavy blonde hair, ensuring it frames his face well. Don't forget to add his two small, subtle horns peeking out from his hair, just above his temples. Moving on to his body and attire, we'll start with a basic stick figure to establish his overall proportions and pose. Lucifer is typically depicted as being about 5 feet tall, so keep that in mind for scale. Then, begin drawing his elegant white suit jacket, which has a long tail, and his vibrant red vest underneath. Complete his look by adding his stylish top hat and his iconic cane, which features a distinctive apple on top. For our final steps, we will refine and polish your drawing. Carefully go over all your lines, making them clean and crisp, then gently erase any visible sketch lines or construction marks. Now, add the smaller, intricate details, such as the subtle apple motif on his top hat and the fine lines on his suit. Lastly, apply shading to give your drawing depth and dimension, highlighting his features and making him truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.